North Las Vegas Tower Information Foxtrot, time 1853 Zulu, wind 150 at 5. North Las Vegas Tower Information Foxtrot, time 1853 Zulu, wind 150 at 5.
North Las Vegas ground, Skyhawk, November 734, November Juliet. The ATIS stops after the wind. What is the current altimeter setting?
Cessna4 November Juliet, altimeter 3006, I'll check on that.
3006, affirm. Airplanes everywhere. Oh, and car. Hello, car.
Potential aircraft, North Las Vegas Tower Information Golf, current altimeter 3006 Golf. And 4 November Juliet, just check the ATIS, make sure you can get that Golf.
Affirm, 4 November Juliet.
Received, Golf. North Las Vegas Tower Information Golf, time 1858 Zulu, wind 160 at 4, temperature 16, dew point -6, altimeter 3006. Visual approach runway 12 right in use. Landing and departing runways 12 right, 12 left, and runway 7. Clearance delivery at ground control 121.7. Notice airman obstruction, tower light 0.7 nautical miles east of North Las Vegas Tower. 84 feet AGL out of service. Yellow flashing lights indicate you're approaching an active runway. ATC clearance is required. Simultaneous operations are being conducted to parallel and crossing runways. Read back all runway assignments and hold short instructions. Advise on initial contact. You have received. Golf. North Las Vegas Tower Information Golf, time 1858 Zulu, wind 160 at 4, temperature 16, dew point -6, altimeter 3006. Visual approach runway 12 right in use. Landing and departing runways 12 right, 12 left, and runway 7. Clearance delivery at ground control 121.7. Notice airman obstruction, tower light 0.7 nautical miles east of North Las Vegas Tower. 84 feet AGL out of service. Yellow flashing lights indicate you're approaching an active runway. ATC clearance is required. Simultaneous operations are being conducted to parallel and crossing runways. Read back all runway assignments and hold short instructions. Advise on initial contact. You have received. Golf. North Las Vegas Tower Information Golf, time 1858 Zulu, wind 160 at 4, temperature 16, dew point -6, altimeter 3006. Visual approach runway 12 right in use. Landing and departing runways 12 right, 12 left, and runway 7. Clearance delivery at ground control 121.7. Notice airman obstruction, tower light 0.7 nautical miles east of North Las Vegas Tower. 84 feet AGL out of service. Yellow flashing lights indicate you're approaching an active runway. ATC clearance is required.
All right. Okay, so we finally got a good copy on ATIS information. We're going to go through our run-up checklist. Brakes are set. Fuel is set to both. Trimmed for takeoff. We are not trimmed for takeoff.
North Las Vegas Tower, Cessna 18 Alpha Charlie going around.
Cessna 18 Alpha Charlie, roger, mate, left drive.
that good. Trim for takeoff. Alright, trim for takeoff.
Wind 150 at 5.
Alright, we have good flight controls. Instruments check. Mixture for best power. Okay, primer in and locked. Lock 1700 RPM check. Alright, currently holding 1700 RPM. Max test. Okay, mags are good. RP test. Alright, suction is in the green, both fuel tanks look good, oil temperature is in the green, oil pressure in the green, and meter reading
3 kilo
0.
Mike, turn right on Charlie, taxi to the ramp, monitor ground.
3 kilo Mike, return off on Charlie.
Alright, returning the aircraft to idle.
Cessna 40 Echo, you're now number 1.
And we're idling with carpet on. Run up checklist complete.
Seminole 2 Alpha Tango, runway 12 left, cleared for takeoff. You're following the Cessna in the left crosswind.
12 left, clear for takeoff, following the Cessna in the left crosswind. 2 Alpha Tango.
Okay, pre-takeoff checklist. Flaps of 0 or 10. Mixture to best power. Carpet off. Heading indicator to compass. We're reading 190. Oh fuck, that's a big. Compass only says 160. Okay. Doors and windows check. Okay, transponder. Okay, looks good. Squawking VFR, November 734, November Juliet. We are altitude reporting. Alright.
Cessna 8 Alpha Charlie, runway 12 left, cleared for the option.
And then lights are on. Strobes as required, not required at the moment. Okay, note the time. 1104. Brakes release.
Northwest Vegas Tower, Garcopter 72271 with Golf Long Mountain, inbound for Cheyenne.
Garcopter 72271 North Las Vegas Tower, proceed inbound report 1 mile northwest of field.
Report 1 mile northwest, Garcopter 271.
North Las Vegas Tower, Cessna 734 X-Ray Hotel over Kyle Canyon Road in the 95 at 4,000 feet, inbound for landing with Golf.
Traveler 24 Charlie, runway 12 left, cleared for takeoff. Traffic you're following is a Seminole on the left crosswind.
12 left, clear for takeoff, following the Seminole 24 Charlie.
Cessna 4 X-Ray Hotel, or Cessna 734 X-Ray Hotel, North Las Vegas Tower, continue inbound, confirm at 3,900.
3,900, I'll be doing pattern work also. 734 X-Ray Hotel.
Cessna 4 X-Ray Hotel, make straight in, runway 12 left.
Straight in, 12 left, 734 X-Ray Hotel.
North Las Vegas Tower, Skyhawk, November 734, November Juliet. Holding short of runway 7 at Golf. Going to be doing some pattern work today. Requesting permission for takeoff.
Fast calling tower, stand by.
Alright.
Cessna 40 Echo, turn right on Charlie, taxi in the ramp, monitor ground.
Taxi Charlie, to the ramp, monitor ground, 40 Echo.
Last calling tower, unanswered, Figgin.
Taxi Charlie, monitor ground, the other side, 40 Echo.
40 Echo, you're good, continue. Last aircraft calling tower, told to stand by, Figgin.
This is Skyhawk 734 November Juliet. Going to be doing some pattern work today. Holding short of 7 at Golf.
Cessna 734 November Juliet, North Las Vegas Tower, runway 12 right, taxi via Golf, cross runway 7.
Cross runway 7, 12 right at Golf, 4 November Juliet. Oh, shit.
12 right at Charlie.
Seminole 2 Alpha Tango, runway 12 left, clear for the option.
12 left, clear for the option, 2 Alpha Tango.
Cessna 8 Alpha Charlie, 12 runway 12 left, taxi via Kilo Delta Alpha.
12 left, Kilo Delta Alpha, 1 Alpha Charlie. Las Vegas Tower, Seminole 572 Alpha Tango, this is going to be a full stop terminate.
Seminole 2 Alpha Tango, change to runway 12 right, runway 12 right, clear to land.
12 right, clear to land, 2 Alpha Tango.
Guardcopter 721, traffic ahead and left 2,900, Seminole on the left base for runway 12 right, report in sight.
Hello.
Guardcopter 72271, searching.
Seminole 2 Alpha Tango, as you head around for 12 right, you may see a Guardcopter just ahead and right, 2,700.
Traffic inside, 2 Alpha Tango. North Las Vegas Tower, Skyhawk 5401 Hotel at Gulf 7.
Traveler 24 Charlie, runway 12 left, clear for the option.
12 left, clear for the option, 24 Charlie, are we number 1?
North Las Vegas Ground, Husky 307 Foxtrot with you now, back with a request.
Bye. Guardcopter 721, you have the Seminole yet? Short final, runway 12 right.
And Tower, Guardcopter 72271 has traffic inside, maintain visual.
Guardcopter 271, pass behind that traffic, landing at the Cheyenne Rent will be at your own risk, wind 1703.
Guardcopter 271, landing at sure, thanks.